Powerful magnetic antenna, our most powerful magnetic antenna yet. SMB Connector, fits drive reach and drive sleek. Sleek design, shark fin design complements vehicle aesthetics. Quick placement antenna, strong magnetic base for easy, secure placement. Includes low-loss antenna, equipped with 10 length of low-loss antenna cable. Easy cable routing, 4 cable exit points to ensure better cable routing. Durable construction, repels rain, snow, and heat. Carrier compatibility. Compatible with every network and all U.S. carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, Straight Talk, and U.S Cellular. 5G ready, weBoost products will work for the next decade and beyond. U.S Based Company. All weBoost products are designed and assembled in the U.S. and come with friendly, U.S.-based customer support. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect antenna. I needed something which isn't too bulky. This was perfect fit right behind satellite antenna on my mid-size SUV. Great job weBoost. Works with existing weBoost system. Original antenna lost in the car wash. Oops. This replacement is a generic version and works perfectly with existing weBoost system. Exactly like the original.